How to transfer CapCut projects from mobile to PC. So if you want to transfer your CapCut projects from your mobile to your PC, then first you need to open up your CapCut on your PC. After opening your CapCut, now on the top left, you will have the sign in option, right? So you just need to simply go with sign in and make sure that you have signed into your account. So you need to just simply go with the sign in page, enter your email address or your password, or you can also sign in with your Google account. And after signing in, then make sure that you have the same account on your mobile device also. And after that, you need to go with your mobile device and make sure that you've turned on the backup option. So if you've turned on the backup from your settings, then it will show all of the videos that you have on your mobile device on your laptop. So make sure that you've signed in to the same account and make sure that you've turned on your backup. By doing these two things, you'll be able to use or transfer CapCut projects from your mobile to your PC. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.